Lead by example. Show them a shiny set of heels. Hi there, my name's Andrew from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm coming to you from my home office here on the Sunshine Coast. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm very passionate about online marketing and I love helping other people get started in this space. I like it because you can work from home, you've got some time, money, freedom once you get established, and it's just an awesome way to do business. If you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and online marketing, please subscribe to this channel and click the bell below. And if you'd like to learn more about my free course or the course that I've partnered up with another company, down below there's a link to andrewplimmer.com. It really is a life-changing course and a one-stop shop for those people that want to pursue a career in affiliate marketing. So what do I mean by that? Show them a shiny set of heels. I mean, lead by example, that's pretty obvious, but show them a shiny set of heels. A friend of mine told me this a few years ago when I was sort of showing some frustration about some of the people that I was working with, and I was sort of asking myself, why won't they come with me? I want them to come with me. I want to go across the finish line with them by my side. I want to do it together. And it just doesn't work like that, unfortunately. Most people have a different agenda. They have different reasons for doing what they do. Most people quit, unfortunately. I can't explain why. I mean, if you choose the wrong company to partner with, especially in network marketing and or affiliate marketing for that matter, that's not a good thing. So do your due diligence first. Be absolutely sure to choose the right company. I've seen so many, especially network marketing companies, fail lately, especially in the crypto space, and it's just an absolute disaster. It's a disaster for the industry because people sort of think that every single network marketing company is going to fail, and that's simply not the case. I've got one friend of mine I know very well. He's been in network marketing for over 20 years. He went hard with that network marketing company for the first 3 years, and he hasn't worked a day since. Now, that's not always the case. I don't think network marketing can provide you with a completely passive income stream. I think that's an unrealistic expectation. However, as Zig Ziglar says, if you prime the pump and pump really hard for the first bit to get the water flowing, then you can sort of take your foot off the pedal and pump, regularly, but not as fast. So, what'll happen is if you try and wait for everybody to cross the finish line with you, all you're doing is hurting your own business. It really isn't a good thing. It's something that I did, unfortunately, because that's the type of character that I am. I wanted to finish together, but so many people just quit. They give up for whatever reason, and so all you can do is run as hard as you can and show. It's not about running away from your people. It's about showing them a shiny set of heels, leading by example, and showing people what can be done if you put your head down and bum up and be consistent and work, have a good work ethic. And of course, it comes back to just taking that imperfect action and not stopping and believing in yourself. Aligning yourself with somebody that's better than you is so important. That gives you the proof, if you like, that it can be done. And as they say, you are the average of the 5 people you hang out with most anyway. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this video. If you did, please like, share and comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Over and out. Bye now.